Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a simple wallet, paper wallet. Okay? For that we will require a chart paper, A4 size chart paper, Fevicol, scissor, any rubber band, any type of button, a simple paper and a black sketch pen. So let's start. For that we will take this chart paper and fold it into the half like this. Now open this page and fold this like this and fold this from this side. Okay? Now take one part like this and fold this part here and press this part. Now your paper will look like this. Now turn this paper and take into the again slipping line. Now we will make two lines. You can use any pencil or anything like this on same distance, and we will fold these lines like this. Okay? Now put a glue here and stick this part. Again put a glue here and stick this part. Now turn paper. Your paper will look like this now. You have to turn this in the inside part and fold here again. Now you will look here one pocket. You will get a one pocket, and here also a one pocket. Now what we will do? We will turn this page like this, and from the center we will press it properly. So our paper wallet is ready. You can see here that here is a pocket, and here is also a pocket, and this is like, okay. Now what we will do? We will put some dash or dots here with the black sketch pen. Do same as here. Okay? Now we will make little eyes here. You can use the eyes that we get from the shops also, that artificial eyes. Okay? So our decoration part is ready. Now I am going to draw two leaves shape here on this page. You can use any contrast paper like this. Okay, and we will cut it. So we will get two ears here. Now I am going to put a glue in the inside part above the eye, above one eye, and put this here. Again put the glue inside part and put this here also. And stick it. So our wallet is ready. Now we will put a single glue here and single button here. Okay, it is for decoration part. It is not that you have to do it compulsory. It's not compulsory. We will put a glue here and put a rubber band here. If you don't have rubber band, you can use, stick it properly, and after sticking it, make it like this. Okay, so you have to stick it properly. So our wallet is ready. So kids, try it and do it. Be creative. Bye. Take care.